Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off lane assist or your assistance systems on your 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. So one way to do it, there's two ways to do it. The first way, you're going to come over here on this button here, you're going to press the button right there on the side, so your assistance button. And it's going to bring up this menu here. Then you're going to come over here, you can select different things for the menu. So the lane assist is on the top. You press OK, it'll uncheck that, so lane assist is now off. There's also other options: adaptive cruise control, side assist, rear traffic alert. All that is here, and front assist. Also, you can do the same thing over in your infotainment system. You come down to this button here, assist button right here, press that, and then it's going to bring up this. This one's more of just like a picture diagram, but you can turn on lane assist by clicking on the side of the lanes there, activate, or turn off. Let me exit out of that. So on different assistance systems, front assist, you can turn it off, confirm. They don't recommend it, but turn it back on. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found this video helpful.